I played a lot of street hockey in my youth, which in retrospect was a mistake. So my name is Lamar Ortiz. I'm from Austin, Texas. And I did a lot of research on this procedure before choosing Cellular Hope Institute. I had a lot of injuries and wear and tear on my knees, 2 knee surgeries, and this is kind of what I'm trying out before considering a major surgery like knee replacement or something like that. I settled on Cellular Hope Institute because everyone here has been very friendly and helpful and very honest and transparent about the whole process. So far I have interacted with probably 7 to 10 different people that work here at Cellular Hope Institute, whether it's online or over the phone or in person, and I have not had a single bad interaction. Everyone here has been so friendly and so helpful in coordinating the whole process, getting me from the airport to the hotel and getting me from the hotel to here, just the little things of knowing that I didn't have to worry about that throughout this process and that was being taken care of. That was just like a weight off my shoulders. And it just made, again, so much sense to go with this team and just meeting everyone face to face. It's been like cool because I've been talking to them online for months now. So yeah, everyone here has just been incredible.